Criminals. Before continuing, let's get the main questions out of the way. But aren't cryptocurrencies meant for drug dealers and money launderers, you may have thought to yourself? This is usually the main reason people think twice before talking about the benefits of cryptocurrencies and anonymity. The main concern is that because cryptocurrency transactions are anonymous and can't be traced back to a certain person, it makes it perfect for criminals to send and receive money for their criminal activities without having to fear getting caught. This statement isn't false. There have been cases of criminals using crypto to make transactions. But this problem is nothing new. After all, criminals have been around for a long time, and they have used every other possible way of transferring money. Who hasn't seen a movie where a couple of criminals are opening suitcases full of US dollars? Saying that cryptocurrencies are for criminals is almost the same as saying that cars are meant for criminals because they are much better getaway vehicles for bank robberies than horses are. Aside from that, most of the platforms that deal with cryptocurrency payments require high levels of verification and identification, meaning that before being able to start buying, selling, transferring crypto, and any other type of transaction, users have to prove their identity and provide certain documents to validate themselves. This protocol greatly decreases the likelihood of criminals using these platforms.